Here's Jimmy's car. We're going to see what we can get through before the heat hits. It's supposed to be cooler today, under 100. So here's Glenn's car. He is all set for the drive-through. I'm going to try to get on the other side, see if it'll do better with the sun. We are out at Cadence. Stay away from the people. This is in Henderson, Nevada. Just right outside Las Vegas. And this one's for sale. You can have yourself a car. Hit up all the car shows. Some of these are regulars that we see all the time. Hopefully we'll see something new and different. Oh, here we go. Well, there's my pick for the day. '51 Mercury. I love the front of these. They look like they're smiling.
Oh, okay. You going back to mommy?
You got me?
Got me too.
And we got some newer stuff.
You want to sit over here? You want to go to the food trucks and look and sit? Bryson, stay with Dad. Does these lake birds too?
Let's find some of the old stuff. A lot of kids and dogs. Here we go. Little rat pink in there.
There was gas in the apartment back there. I'm gonna turn it on.
Did you trade up? I'd show you this Etzel, but The guy that owns it's a grumpy old dude. All right, we're back to show you the Edsel.
All right, so here we go to this finish line. On your marks, get set, go. Oh, you're holding it. That's cute. Oh, we got a winner. All right, come on, we'll go. Okay, now stay here. We'll do another round for you guys, and then we'll let the next one go. Okay, what's your name? Henderson won that first round. There you go. Okay, good. All right, we need that in. This is round two for you guys, and then you're on next, okay? So I need you clear tonight.
Little convertible.
Yes, there is a corgi over there.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go! We have a winner over
And there's the engine.
Yeah, clear winner. Okay, put them in here, everybody, and then we'll let the next round. If you weren't in this round,
Yeah.
we're going to let the next round.
pretty
Give
neat.
them your
Thank goodness they brought some lowriders out for the show.
winner, though. I mean,
I will. I'll pop up there once we're cleaning all this up. I'll pop up there.
the people that weren't in the last round, and
That is.
And cut that out. We've seen this a few times.
got your egg balance? Get your egg balance. Okay, here we go. On your mark. Get set, go! Hold that. Oh, no, you didn't hold it on. That was kind of weird.
This car's kind of big and taking up a lot of room.
PT Cruiser? It was way down there the last time.
And now he bought the Model A. That's Steve. So then we're mixed up. I hadn't seen him until yesterday because I haven't seen the car. Then I have found out that he was.
Funky little car.
Okay, I guess we do have a winning side. Okay. I don't know. Maybe we should try this again by age category or something.
Now we saw one of these in SEMA. Not last year, the year before. Basically like this, I do believe. I could put that in the back of my truck. That's how they save gas. They just get loaded up in the back of a truck. All right, so like I said, we are out in Cadence. I've been chit-chatting with a lot of people. So, yeah, we kind of had to stop here and there. We've got a few more down this way and then the other row. I think someone said there was 200 cars. Also, if you're watching and you want to help support the channel, I have a link down in the description below to my Amazon shop. If you use that, I may make a commission, which helps pay for all of this. So hopefully we'll see something a little bit cooler on this side. I'm probably going to go all the way up and come back down so we can hit the sunny side without me walking backwards, because this is a neighborhood and there's a lot of people, kids and dogs. Now that bowl was, I brought it from Illinois. That was used when I was a kid. We had that. Look at this stuff.
Is it hot in there, Cheryl?
It's hot.
All right, sorry.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
Yeah. It was nice seeing you. Please say hi to your buddy. Don't waste the water. Drink it as water. She looks so cute at the Water Street show.
Yeah.
You know, she's on the fish bowl, I call her fish bowl. Get some big fish.
That'd be cute. That'd be so cute. Take care.
She's like, what is going on? Poor little baby girl.
Too hot.
It is. It got hot.
And it's not going to be hot where you're going, though, right?
It'll be humid. But
Cadence, welcome everybody to the Cadence Car Show.
Another good one, all right? Beautiful car.
there we go. Well, there's the mechanic working on that one. And we got some new stuff. This is an off the jacks brake. Let me tell you, I wanted to show you my Seville impact wrench. I can use it to jack up my car. I can use it to take lug nuts off and put them back on nice and tight. Had no problems with it. It is cordless, so when I take a trip, I don't have to worry about it. I'm not stuck in the middle of the freeway or down some isolated road waiting for someone else to come and help me change that tire. I can do it myself. Comes with the battery, the charger, 6 sockets, and a bag to keep it in. So there'll be a link in the description below. Go check them out, and thanks for supporting my channel. Nice Impala. And we'll look over here and see if we can find a few more. It's getting a little bit busy and hot. There you go.
Low is 410 and high is 475.
We gotta go stop there. Go ahead, fire.
Yeah, I love the same cars we've seen. I'm getting ready to change that up. Gonna have SEMA here coming shortly. I'll be getting a little bit of SEMA, and then I am done for a little bit. And a bunch of new stuff. Barracuda.
This orange one is badass over here. It's got a motor on it.
Finally a lowrider. We have seen this before. Always love it. Check this out. Got their hydraulics in the back, their batteries. They just had lowrider weekend here in Vegas last weekend.
Yeah. So don't get
I'm just trying to get through here before I fry. Now this one's always pretty.
This has got a 32 Plymouth.
7-3. Step side.
I'm going to see if I can find it. Because I don't want you hitting the trash. Let's go ahead and just go once across. Everybody got it? Once across. Let's sit down. And we'll do it round going back. Okay, so just once across. I'll see if I can find a winner. This is sometimes hard to sort of do. Actually, you know what we can do? Hey, could you help me over there? Oh, thank you. Let's take that.
Yeah.
Back up a little bit.
Yeah, Bob would.
There we go. This makes it. Okay, right there. That's fine. Perfect. We got the room.
I will. And there's Teresa's truck. This is an interesting little yellow mobile. I honestly don't know what this is.
I can tell you.
Another old Mustang. And they're all going over for their awards. Oh, this looks fun. Oh, look at that. All right, so there you go. We have done the Cadence car show. I'm sure I missed some of them, but that's the way it is, guys. It's hot, and I had a lot of people to see before I'm out of here, and hopefully we will be finding a lot of new and different cars. I hear that Knoxville, Tennessee has some amazing shows. Lexington, Kentucky, big shows. We're gonna be hitting the southeast from I'll do SEMA. I'm gonna do a bit at SEMA, and then I'm out of here. So we're gonna see what we can find. I don't know if there's lowriders out that way. Hopefully there are, because they're some of my favorites, but I know there's rat rods. So hope to see you in the next video. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, and see you at SEMA.